6 essential oils for stress relief. Stress, panic, anxiety, the fear of unknown, unfortunately just part of everyday living in the 21st century. Often these issues lead to loneliness, rejection and depression which, in turn, gives people a very low esteem of themselves, which then becomes a downward spiral. By breaking this situation and recognizing this early, then you will be able to turn things around, become positive, forward-thinking, active and most of all very buoyant. This can be done by the use of very simple essential oils. Trying these oils can help to give you a stress-free future, therefore reducing and combating your depressive moods. Have a look and more importantly, find out how these oils can actually distress your mind and help give you freedom from your depression. 1. Geranium Oil. Geranium oil is by far the best of the essential oils to act as an antidepressant. By way of it increasing the brain activity, when the hormones give the feeling of helplessness. Also reducing overactive hormones that alleviate anxiety, as opposed to simply reducing it. In simple terms, it works very much the way the body requires. This essential oil is a perfect solution for people developing acute depression. 2. Bergamot Oil. Bergamot oil is a very calming essential oil that discards negative emotions, helping to reduce the secretion of sympathetic hormones. It acts as a powerful, soothing, natural antidepressant that teaches the mind to overcome excessive stress, panic and fear. The normally overworked brain nerves finally get a chance to relax. Can also be used for depression, but also for long-term chronic depression. 3. Clary Sage Oil. Moods and emotions are controlled by the central nervous system of the brain, which regulates the production of hormones related to moods and emotions. When these hormones that control happiness and euphoria are reduced, this causes a state of depression. Clary Sage Oil gets to grips with the nervous system to ease the tensed cranial nerves that in turn relax the tensed mind. 4. Lavender Oil. Lavender oil is quite possible the most well-known of the essential oils. Soothing and relaxing the mind and body. Insomnia is another major depressive. Lavender oil works as an amazing sedative that is clinically proven to improve sleep patterns when monitored in EEG during sleep. Its fragrance is strong enough to pamper super-exhausted nerves. It can ideally be used as an oil to massage your temples prior to sleeping. 5. Rosemary Oil. Rosemary is another excellent essential oil that is amongst the best to be used as an antidepressant and stress reliever. Again, as the other oils, this works on the brain nerves, in helping to soothe the mind, and in turn reducing the stress and anxiety. Works exceptionally well to eliminate the emotions that can cause stress and depression. 6. Ylang Ylang Oil. Ylang Ylang is a tropical plant with yellow star-shaped flowers. This essential oil is very much an all-rounder in the antidepressant world, as it works well on all different formats of depression, including anxiety, stress and fatigue. The response it has against anxiety is down to the nervous system's response to the fragrance, which therefore relaxes the overexerted brain. In general, essential oils are used in the same way to get the best results. Dilute in a hot bath, at home in an oil burner or humidifier. Put a few drops on a tissue and inhale the fragrance, or simply have a good relaxing massage using essential oils. Please use home remedies after proper research and guidance, or consult a healthcare professional.